Welcome to Dalmatia, where the Adriatic Sea meets historic cities and culinary delights. Over the next 2 days, we'll explore the stunning cities of Split and Dubrovnik, diving into their rich history and savoring their local flavors. Let's embark on this unforgettable journey. Our journey begins in Split, a city where ancient history and modern vibrancy coexist. We check in at the luxurious Ambassador Hotel, perfectly located on the West Coast Promenade, offering stunning views of the Adriatic Sea and Marjan Hill. With its blend of modern sophistication and Mediterranean simplicity, it's the perfect base for our adventure.
The Hotel Ambassador has been an important part of Split's social life throughout the history. Our hotel offers the views to Diocletian Palace, Riva Promenade, Adriatic Sea. It's a perfect place to experience the essence of Split.
Without wasting any time, we set out for an unforgettable morning on the Adriatic Sea. A boat ride takes us to a secluded beach where we enjoy the serene beauty of the Adriatic, creating a truly magical experience, a moment of pure tranquility and wonder. Make this a truly magical experience. We enjoy a picnic with fresh, local ingredients prepared by Il Ponte, a Michelin Guide restaurant. After a refreshing morning, we return to Split for a relaxing afternoon. The city was built around the palace of the Roman Emperor Diocletian, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. As we wander through the historic heart, the ancient architecture and lively atmosphere capture our imagination. The facade of the palace and the bustling Riva Promenade offer stunning views of the port and the sea. As the sun sets, we dine at Zerno Soli, a Michelin Guide restaurant located in the ACI Marina. From the terrace, we enjoy views of the sea and the center of Split. The menu focuses on fresh fish and seafood, which diners can choose directly from the display cabinet. It's a dining experience that perfectly captures the essence of the Adriatic.
Our cuisine in Zerno Soli is inspired by sea, inspired by nature. Mother Nature is the true artist, and this is who we are. We love the sea, we're raised by the sea. Sea is everything to us. We look at the sea like there is life in the sea is the God, that's what it is.
After a delightful dinner, we return to the Ambassador Hotel. This luxurious retreat offers the perfect blend of comfort and elegance. It is designed to make you slow down. Ambassador Hotel is the ideal place to rest and recharge for the adventures that await us tomorrow. The next morning, we wake up to a luxurious breakfast at the Ambassador Hotel. After packing our bags, we head to Dubrovnik, a city renowned for its stunning architecture and rich history. Dubrovnik, known as the Pearl of the Adriatic, welcomes us with its stunning views and historic charm. We check into Hotel Bellevue, a luxurious boutique hotel carved into a cliffside with breathtaking views of the Adriatic Sea. After settling in, we're ready for a special experience. We start our day with an exclusive oyster picnic hosted by Bota Sare. This boat tour offers a unique sea-to-table experience, where we learn about oyster farming and enjoy fresh oysters right on the boat. The crew's expertise and the pristine surroundings make this a highlight of our trip. In the afternoon, we explore Dubrovnik's Old Town, a UNESCO World Heritage Site surrounded by 16th century stone ramparts. The city's well-preserved monuments, from the Baroque Church of Saint Blaise to the Renaissance-style Sponza Palace in the Gothic Rector's Palace, offer a glimpse into its rich history. As evening falls, we dine at Vapor, restaurant located in the luxurious Bellevue Hotel. The terrace offers a superb sea view, while the dining room features large windows that frame the Adriatic perfectly. The fresh Mediterranean cuisine, including a delicious sea bream ceviche, is a feast for the senses.
At Vapor, we focus on fresh, local ingredients and creative presentation to offer dining experience for our clients. There is both delicious and memorable.
After a splendid dinner, we retired to Hotel Bellevue. This five-star boutique hotel with its fresh new vibe offers state-of-the-art luxury and design, making it the perfect place to end our day. In just 2 days, we've experienced some of the best of Dalmatia's history, culture, and cuisine. From the ancient streets of Split to the breathtaking views of Dubrovnik, every moment has been a treasure. Join us next time for more unforgettable adventures. Until then, happy travels